Hey everyone, Bill McRea here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to hand this over to Rick, but he hasn't joined in yet, so I don't know whether he's going to join in or not. So I'm going to talk about something in the meantime, and then when I see him pop up, I'll just hand this all over to him. He wants to take you through some of the velocity impact tools. I'm going to put the little barcode up here for velocity impact so you can scan that and join if you so desire. I need it. I guess I don't have one right now. It's more. Did I miss? Well, not to worry. Um, I'm going to show you where we stand with the AI social program, the AI social poster program. Lots of big changes there. I wanted to share it with you real quick. Right here. Just go to. Yeah. All right. So now you're looking at AI social poster. This is the big thing that's starting to finally take place. Today is the 5th. So you can see when the day started out, I had a bunch of posts scheduled out. You can see I have right now scheduled posts for everything from to 4 p.m. I'm going with Mashable, Blue Sky, Threads, um, and you see the actual content when I look at like a post that's going to post. All these images were actually generated and created by um, ah, there he is. I'm going to there you are.
Ready. Sorry about that. I was having trouble.
Is there another screen that you had there?
Who, me?
Oh, that's me sharing something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he has.
let me finish what I'm sharing here because then we'll lead
Go
right
ahead.
into what you're going to
Go
do.
ahead. I'm going to get ready.
So you see this image. I've got like every day. I think we're like 60 posts a day going across the eight. No, I've got 8 networks. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. And there are. I have my schedule with eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So there's like 56 social media posts going a day on AI Social Poster, and it's posting to all these different networks. And a lot of them are like, you can come in and look at them anytime you want. I'm almost always going to include an image in it. In every one of these images, like right here, and let's take a look at another one. These are all AI images I created with AI Social Poster, right? I'm sorry, with the Velocity Impact, and they get attention, they get noticed. When you make posts that are just like this, um, you don't get a lot of notice. So I have this going to Twitter, uh, or X, the Facebook, the LinkedIn, the Threads, to Pinterest, uh, Mastodon, and Blue Sky. Debugging the Blue Sky thing right now, but this is why the whole idea of creating the content is no longer the roadblock in what we're trying to do with marketing. Content is easy because we have velocity impact, and 6 months ago I couldn't like make this video, this image right here. But now I just hop in and do it. If you look at the whole image, it's got the logo on it. So I take the image, download it, I pull it into Canva, I add the logo on and the words at the bottom, and they do get posted um, such that the entire post, published tweets. Let's go look at this one right here. This one's done by the system just a little while ago. This was done at 12 noon. It's 1 o'clock now, so I'll be posting the new things. It doesn't all happen at once. It has to stagger things to keep from getting in the trouble with Twitter and all these things. But you can see the post because it has uh, the logo. That logo is created by Velocity Impact. The entire post Image, this was just me typing words in, and it came up with everything, including the background and the wife, the mom and the kids spending time because she can do everything at AI Social Poster because it allows you to post. I mean, I'm posting what, like 80 posts a day with AI Social Poster. Plus, what I'm doing with Metricool. So when it gets all said and done, between Metricool and AI Social Poster, I'm posting hundreds of pieces of content every single day. That gets you traction. That gets you noticed. That gets you clicks. And like I said, and I've showed to you before, I'm getting at least 2,000, trending upwards now. The holidays over, clicks a month off to my money pages, which is mostly my training site, SOAD Masterclass, where people go to learn how to do things, but they end up on my email list because of my AI lead system, and they become clients and customers and friends. So that's the important thing about Velocity Impact. I wasn't able to do this before I started using them. Um, so it's a very powerful tool that really, like, if you're doing any sort of marketing at all, you're going to need an autoresponder. And I recommend GetResponse or Aweber. You're going to need a hosting company. I recommend McRea Soft Cloud or Liquid Web, and you're going to need something to create content for you. While ChatGPT can create written content, yeah, you got to go copy paste it. You got to remember to do it. So for that, I recommend Massive Passive AI or AI Traffic Secrets for the auto blogger. And then you got to post all this content to social media, and we have AI Social Poster and Metricool for that. But it used to be the content was the problem. Thanks to all this AI tools we got now, content's no longer the problem. Distribution is, and taking action. It isn't going to do it for you. You can schedule all the stuff to do things for you. So to use AI Social Poster to schedule all the posts, but it isn't going to automatically post it for you. There's going to be some tools to do that, but you still have to create the content and stuff like that. I couldn't create anything that looked even close to this good before I started using Velocity Impact. So Velocity Impact is one of those tools you're going to need, just like you're going to need your hosting account and your autoresponder. It's just going to be a necessity. So with that, I'm just going to turn this over to Rick and let him do all the sharing and teaching about Velocity Impact.
How's it going, everybody? Good to be here today. I'm a little sick, but I'm okay. Got a little throat going on. But so what we're going to do today is I'm going to try an experiment. We're going to utilize a bunch of the tools inside of Velocity Impact. I'm actually going to be doing something brand new that I've never tried yet. I've done a little bit of it in there, but I've never really tried it yet. And we're gonna play around a little bit and try some things and utilize the tools, including one of my favorite tools that I personally built in there, and it's let me share my screen real quick. Okay, it's Dehormazi. I made a coach, or an AI coach. Basically, he's an assistant, and it's got a vast knowledge base. I put a lot of Alex's writings in there. I put his books in there. I took the time and got all the transcripts from almost all of his YouTube videos and shorts and longs and his trainings, and so it's a really well versed custom AI agent, really. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be starting a company, another company. It's kind of a little thing, but we'll see how it turns out. And it's basically a AI staffing agency, and we're gonna have custom AI agents. We've already got 70 of them built, and we're gonna lease them to people and place them in their business. And we're still figuring out the logistics of it all, but it's pretty much ready to go. So what I want to do is do kind of a branding campaign. I want to do a logo. I haven't set my logo yet. I don't have a logo yet completely. I was waiting for today to do that. It's kind of a weird size logo. It's got to be kind of small, but we'll see. We'll go with it and see how it goes. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to talk to Alex and get some advice. So if you're new and you're kind of new to marketing and you're not real sure what to do and how to approach things, we're going to have more coaches in here also. Bill doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to make a Bill coach. So because he's the king of syndicated traffic and stuff. So I'm just going to ask him. Let's see here. I am starting a company, and we do AI. It's called AI custom staffing, and we do custom AI agents, and we place them into businesses. That's the concept. They're very customized. They're very specialized. We have everything from life coaches to marketing experts and advertising experts and video experts, social media experts, and they've all been really, really, really custom programmed for those jobs. And so we will place those into companies, and we're going to lease them to them, and we're going to either lease them or they can buy them outright. We still haven't figured out our pricing structure. Oh, it's not working. I'm talking to myself. Okay, here we go. Oh, there it goes. Okay, custom staffing. We do experts in video, experts. Okay. And they'll all be really happy birthday.
Your audio's fine.
No, I know. I'm just I'm looking at what it printed out. So I like to use voice, but I'll just type.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see if it'll work. And see what I got so far. Yeah. Let me see what he says to that so far. Well, he's already throwing me strategies I didn't even ask him. Well, Alex, it's brand new. We've got all the AI agents are already built. We have an infrastructure for the most part made. As far as we have all of our site pretty much made on the cloud, it's they're going to be able to come into it, log into it from the web, and use the AIs, or we can embed them on any domain that they want them to be embedded on. Or we can embed them. He says key strategy. Okay, here we go. Infrastructure, deployment strategy, scalable, cloud solutions, seamless integration, user experience. We've got all that stuff already done. Performance monitoring, okay. Client training and support. Yeah. Okay. Utilizing And caps lock was there. So basically, I asked him, well, actually, it's brand new. We've got all the AI agents in place. I want to do branding because it's brand new, and I want to utilize the tools here on Velocity Impact. And he says, branding strategy, branding identity, value proposition, target audience, define your target audience, teaser campaigns, educational content, social media engagement, email marketing, partnership outreach, and launch event. What tools do you suggest here on Velocity? Make it tools. See content creation tools. Okay, you can use integrated graphic design and video editing tools to create visually appealing and engaging content. So what I think we're going to do is, I'm thinking about. I mean, no, that's not going to work. It's not ready yet. I can't use the video tool unless I make my own script. And that would take too long. Right? Let's see. Social media engagement, teaser campaigns, target audience, branding strategy. Okay. Okay, he's not getting it. Icon shapes that can be used. Brand kit. Use a brand kit feature to ensure consistency. Okay. Video editor. Using an intuitive video editor to create dynamic promotional videos. Look for features such as drag and drop functionality and transition effects and audio integration. Template library. Okay. He's not as versed on our stuff as I thought he was. I fed him a bunch of stuff this morning, and I guess it didn't. It didn't take or something. So we have a knowledge base that we can build all these tools with. And the nice thing about it is if you start a project in here, like I'm going to start a project, I'm going to go into our knowledge base. It's the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to go in there and I'm going to open up a knowledge base for this business. Because I am going to use a lot of the tools here because they're great and they work really well to launch this thing and to start building some pre-launch assets and stuff like that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do the logo. Let's go ahead and take a look at that, and I'll come back to him later. That didn't work out so well. Anyways. I fed him some stuff last night and today, and he's like, I don't know if it didn't go through or you didn't read it or what. I don't know what happened. So, anyways, let me go to the logo. Oh, let me go to the knowledge base first. Actually, that is where is he? Okay, so we just click on the knowledge base, make a new one, and this one is going to be AI custom staffing. AI custom staffing, and it is a .com, so I'm just going to put that on there too. .com. Okay, and we're going to create that, and anything that way we have a project in here, and we can start feeding it everything that we do. So as we build the campaigns and all the stuff for it, um, we can feed it into the knowledge base, and then it'll everything will work off because all of the apps are tied into that. Will be tied into those knowledge bases. So all our apps are all tied into it. So when you start a project, you can go from app to app to app, and it'll feed off the knowledge base and the AI that we have in our inside of our apps that does all the projects and stuff and all the different content and stuff. We'll get to know that knowledge base and we'll utilize it for knowledge, obviously. So it'll give it something to work off of. So it's all kind of becomes synergistic, and it all kind of becomes a fulcrum or a database basically of knowledge, so that the AI will be familiar with it. And as we use the different applications, those applications they'll intuitively also know about what's in there and the information, and so you don't have to keep feeding it. What's the business, and you don't have to keep feeding it all the apps that information, if that makes sense. Anyways, so yeah, it's the platform is very dynamic like that. And it's a real neat it's a very neat, really cool actually, and very integrated. It's very integrated, and it's very I don't know, it's just a really neat feature, and that was something that we wanted to design it with, so that the AI and the applications and the AIs that live in those applications can feed off of the existing projects. So it's kind of like ChatGPT has Canvas and the canvases, and then they have projects on Perplexity. They have the projects. They have the different ones on Claude, on Anthropic, and that's kind of what this is. But it's basically it's a little more in detail, and it's a little more tied into the ecosystem for the platform. So, okay, so let's go over to let's see, Logo Genius. Project name. Project name is going to be AI Custom Staffing. Okay. And then project contains images that have been shared with you. Clone them. You bring them into your own project to edit and download them. To create your own images, switch to a different project. What? This project contains images that have been shared with you. clone them to bring them into your own project to edit and download them. Okay, whatever. Okay. So I just had to click on it. I got a little confused there. Okay, so the business or the product name obviously is, and I haven't decided yet whether to make the .com a big deal or just do AI custom staffing. We own the name .ai customstaffing.com, and it's a pretty good domain. And one of the things about this, I come in here all the time if I need a domain, and I use our domain finder, our AI domain finder. I've gotten some really premium domains in here for some of my stuff. So it's really, really good. It does a good job, and then I just go buy them from my. I'm a partner agency with Ionos, and I get them dirt cheap there, like $1. But I've gotten some pretty good domains that I could probably put on Flippa and get about 5 to 7K for if I really wanted to. Let's see here. Okay. AI custom staffing. We'll do it without the .com first. Short description of the business product. AI custom agents for lease or purchase. To businesses that need to integrate AI into their ecosystem and their business. So we've made custom GPTs or custom AI agents actually that are programmed and have knowledge bases based on, some of them are based on famous marketers, and some of them are ones we came up with, and we just really, really put a lot of effort into building them as really, really comprehensive and very knowledgeable AI agents. And they will be assets to the businesses that we lease them to and sell them to. They can come to our location on the web and log in, and they can utilize they can build their company inside of there, and their departments inside of there, and their staff inside of there. And they can also, let me see if it's getting it. Yeah. Let me see. They can also embed them on any site that they want. If they want to utilize one for just like their website, or they can embed the AI and talk to the AI. The AI has voices. They have they're going to be they're pretty comprehensive. So it has voice. We've got 11 labs tied into it with an API and all that stuff. So they'll be able to talk to them and interact with them and get projects done. We have YouTube experts, that kind of thing. I didn't get any of that. Okay. We have YouTube experts. We have marketing experts. We have design experts. We have graphic artists. We have AI implementation experts. We have life coaches. We have nutritionists. We have social media experts. We have just you name it. We got 70 different ones. And we want to be able to, put those into companies and help them to integrate AI and, save them some time and money on employees. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, logo type. Okay, this is where we got to think. Word mark, pictorial, emblem, and it's got to be kind of small. Unfortunately, we got a limitation on the size with our setup. let's go with a combination. Or let's go abstract. We'll go abstract first. Look for me, modern classic, minimalist. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we'll go without the .com this time, and then we'll just go for it and see what happens. I don't know how well this thing spells. It's always a challenge with the AIs, how well they spell. And it should render. It doesn't usually take very long. It's pretty quick. So there we go. Oh, that's kind of cool. Wow, that's actually kind of cool. So let me take a look. And then I'm going to grade these. So when people are on the platform, we're going to ask them to please, give us a grade on how the apps are doing, so that we can give us that feedback, so that we can utilize that feedback to. So we can go in and we can edit it. Like I kind of like this one here. Um, I don't know if it really represents the staff or the staffing. So they're okay. I mean, they're pretty cool looking. I like it. It doesn't spell very well though. Still, that one's good right there. That one's good. So this one's not bad at all. So I'm gonna take note of this one, and let's do me a favor. Let me see if I can download that. You can go and you can edit it. You can make a copy of it and just leave it here, or you can you can look at the prompt and reprompt it. Um, Regenerate images, and upscale the image. What I'm going to do is, okay, they got little guys with suits right there. That's cool. This one doesn't. Let's take a look at this one a little closer. I kind of like that one, actually. It's pretty cool. I don't know. The other one's got two eyes. Damn it. Let's see here. Let me do this. I'm going to give it probably a 2-star on that one because of the spelling. Um, Let me see what we can do with the prompt. Oh yeah, okay. I can't change it there. I gotta change it over here. Okay, that's so you can save it for later, so you have consistency in your images. That makes sense. Um, Please spell AI. Whoops. Custom staffing. What would I do? What the hell happened? Please spell AI custom staffing. What the hell happened? What's it doing? Why's it going down there? That's weird. I better pay attention to what I'm doing here. Please. Okay, there. Okay, I just moved it in. That's weird. Look at that. That's how I really do that. Oops. Custom correctly. Just and then I think I'm going to try incorporate AI robots or AI entities, AI chatbots into maybe like AI robots wearing business suits, carrying briefcases, something like that. Can you get that? Yeah. Let's try it again with, let's go with more like a, let's go with a combination. Yeah. Go, modern. Yeah, see what happens. Oh, wow. Get that one right. I don't know if I like the, I don't know if I like the script on it, but these are pretty cool, actually. That one's really cool. Okay, much better. I forgot the staffing, though. This is pretty good. I like this one, actually. What do you think of this one, Bill?
I'm muted. This one up here in the upper right-hand corner would be the one I'd like.
Wait, what? This one? You like this one? Right-hand corner or
Upper
this one?
right-hand corner.
No, it doesn't have staffing, though. It doesn't say staffing.
Yeah, it really when you design logos with this program, you gotta recognize it doesn't like words.
No, they don't.
And
They
it's
don't. What I would probably do is I'm gonna go back and I don't want to spend too much time in the logo maker, but But you guys get an idea of what we have, and you got to play around with it and figure it out. And I found that AIs just don't do well. The only one I found that does well with spelling is my diagram, and it does a real
Yeah,
good job.
it doesn't. It's I've gotten things that were really close, and then brought them in the Canva and fixed them.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was going to say. I would probably take this into
Like
Canva and do
the
something with
AI
it.
social poster, it did really well. I'm looking at it, and it goes, it's perfect. So sometimes you just got to
Yeah.
run it over and over.
Oh, you did AI social posters, the logo in
The
here?
logo was done in
Oh,
there,
did
yeah.
you? Okay.
So
Okay.
it worked out good.
So
And
let's take it.
actually, AI content, pretty much all the logos I'm running right now, I did in Velocity Impact. So yeah,
Okay.
other than McRea, which is one I had professionally designed, but that's my company name, so it had to be
Yeah.
good. It had to spell my name right at least. All right, I'll let you go.
So this one, I kind of like this one here, actually. I like both of them. These are both pretty good. Let me have it make one more run at it, and then see. Let me see. I'll give this one a good thumbs up, and that one a good thumbs up, and then I'll have it doing one more rendering, and we'll see what it does. Let me go back to it. Okay, so we're gonna give this like 4 stars. Let's go 3 star. Yeah, 4 stars on that one, and 4 stars on that one. And I'm gonna actually just I'm going to download these. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Okay, PNG. I like PNG. It always renders well. And I'll probably take it into Canva or something and do something with it. And if I end up liking it or not, I don't know. I like it kind of. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and give them. Let's just try to have it make another run at it. Create another logo. Let's see what it comes up with. So yeah, and the good thing about this is it will remember this platform or this because we created a project, so it'll remember this project now, and it'll remember what we asked it to do and what it's about, and then that'll go into the knowledge base. All that knowledge will go in there, so that as we go from app to app, as we work on this platform and we work on this project in this company, it'll be more versed, and I won't have to tell it anything. I won't have to give it any information. It'll know what to do. Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's a little big. Mm, kind of like this one too. Yeah, I like this one. We download that too. Let's see. Oh, that's weird. The hell was all that? I wonder what that said. Yeah, just a bunch of gobbledygook. Yeah, they went a little hallucination on that one. And that happens with the AI. So, but it's doing pretty good. It actually spelled it. It's doing better than Dally would. And Dally's horrible. It can't spell for damn. No matter what you do or how you prompt it. Um, okay, this one's pretty good.
Dolly is really only good for uh, like our AI content or massive passive AI program where it creates a
Yeah,
totally futuristic graphic for your blog post. And they're really quite good looking, but you try to do anything realistic with it.
yeah. It doesn't do good realistic
Yeah,
images.
you
Yeah,
can't, like, if you go to Chat GPT and it's got a logo maker in there, it does the same thing. It doesn't spell right. You can come up with good
yeah,
icons, little shapes and figures, but in terms of the logo, it could be a.
yeah.
But you can come up with, you can get some good logos. I'm using them all.
Yes, you can. There you go. You down there? What? There we go. PNG. Let me do a JPEG. What the hell? Guess not. Try this without the background. That's a good idea. See how it does with that. I haven't really played with that much. That didn't come out so good, did it? Yeah, it didn't work out so well. Oh, it's because of. Oh, yeah, that's why. That's why. Yeah, no, it's so good. It's because it's got white lettering. That's not going to work. Move background. Do a transparency like that. All right. Let's see. Okay, so we're done here. So now we got. I like this one a lot, actually. Um, and that one's kind of cool. No, this one here, I mean, it's pretty cool. But I like this one the best of all of them. Yeah, I would probably utilize that and just I would probably change it up where the lettering is probably more of a. I take it into Canva and do some stuff with it, do some gradients on the letters, and color them up, and then definitely get rid of the background and make it a transparency. But yeah, that one's pretty good actually. It's about a 4 I give it. And okay, so let's go back to. I mean, you can play around in here all day and do this stuff, but for the sake of time, I want to do some other things. Um, I want to. I'd like to put together a. Let's do some. I'm thinking of SEO plus intros. These would be good. These would be kind of fun. Yep. Website. Yeah, I can't use that yet. Um, I don't have my logo under yet or nothing. Yeah, actually, we can. I guess. Let me see. See how it comes out. A revolutionary new concept in staffing and hiring. We're going to be AI staff members for businesses to lease or buy and put into their business as employees or staff members or team members. And they're very, very customized for different expertise inside of business and personal. Also, we have life coaches and stuff like that too. So yeah, so that's what it is. I could probably do a better job on that, but whatever. Long tail keyword targeting, yes. Auto SEO, yes. Advanced. Okay, turn that off. It's annoying. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see. Long tail keyword targeting. I'm going to point that line. English. We can do different languages, obviously. We've got 33 different languages we do everything in. So that's good. You're doing some international targeting, that kind of thing. Advanced options. Persuasiveness. We want to go high on persuasiveness. Creativity, pretty high, maybe right about there. Length. We don't want them real short. We don't want them too short. They're, let's go with about right here. Okay, inspirational, factual, fun, urgent, fear-based. I like. I don't want to go fear-based. That's more like a time thing or something. And you're going after, touching their pain points is what it's doing, really. Let's go urgent. When is the deadline? No, that's what it means. Okay. There's no deadline, so let's do something else. Let's just go factual. That's good. I wonder what fear-based is. What is the main fear that the customer may have that this product resolves? Needs to hire staff, but can't afford the 100K to 200K a year for the kind of expertise. Oh man, his caps lock got stuck on it. That's all right. Expertise. He don't care. Yeah, he doesn't care. kind of expertise our employees or our staff members will bring to the table. Needs productivity and a pro now. Fear of falling behind. Behind competition. Fear of uncertainty. And our solution smashes both of those pain points. Is this price-driven hook? No. Use emoji in hooks? No. I don't like emojis. They're okay if you're doing like a Facebook post or your Google business profile or something like that. Target audience, not everyone.
Hey, we're coming up on the hour here,
Okay,
so you need to kind of wind it up.
small business owners. Let's go SMB owners. We're not going to be targeting enterprise too much. And we might, I don't know. Do you have some example good hooks you've thought of? No. Do you have any recommended trigger point words? Easy. Effortlessly. Instant. Is there any instructions? Any others? No. Let's just go ahead and run through them, see what they come up with. Hey, Bill, you posted.
What's that?
You just popped up, a thing just popped up. You posted just now on Traffic University. I get notifications of all your posts.
It's probably
It's when you say I post a poster probably.
it's definitely AI.
Yeah.
It's probably from AI social post.
Unlock elite expertise instantly. Okay, how many give me? Create another SEO optimized intro. Like that, get it. Okay. Let's see here. Unlock custom AI staff leasing, AI expertise for business, IT staff, new concept, lease or buy AI based real coaches, buy customized AI staff. Yeah, we gotta go. Okay. But anyways, it comes up with some pretty good stuff, but I would play with it a little bit, get better ones than that. I'm not real pleased with it. Like we unlock elite expertise instantly without breaking your budget. Hire AI staff today. Now that's good. Okay, so we're out of time, right, Bill? We're out of time, right? We're out of time.
We're I got to turn that mute off. So the thing about velocity impact, there's a lot to it. There's a lot to learn to use it.
Yep.
It's like any other tool. You have to use it. Like I showed you all the images I created. Uh, it created the basic image, and I had to do work on it in Canva to add the logo on and the message and stuff like that to make it something that will work. But they get attention. My social media traffic has gone from 6 months ago to I think we're going to be close to 3,000 clicks this month. So it's real traffic, real people. It comes right from someone seeing your stuff and going click. So it's definitely high quality. It's something you want. The velocity impact is the tool that I use to do all that, and it's something you should be considering. We'll be a little bit more organized next week. Thank you all for coming on. Thank you, Rick, for
Yeah, no
sharing
problem.